I have come home, Master.
This is no longer your home, and I am no longer your master.
Oh, yes, you have a new favorite. So where is this? Oh, did I scare him off?
This battle is between you and me.
So, that is how it's going to be.
That is how it must be.
I'm glad Shifu sent you. I was beginning to think I'd been forgotten. Fly back there and tell them the real Dragon Warrior is coming home.
He wasn't justice to him. Shifu found him as a cub. And he raised him as his son. Shifu trained him. He believed in him. He told him he was destined for greatness. It was never enough for Tai Lung. He wanted the Dragon Scroll, but Oogway saw darkness in his heart and refused. Outraged, Tai Lung laid waste to the valley. He tried to take the scroll by force, and Shifu had to destroy what he had created. But how could he?
What I ever did, I did to make you proud! Tell me how proud you are, Shifu! Tell me! Tell me! I rotted in jail for 20 years because of your weakness.
Obeying your master is not weakness.
You knew I was the Dragon Warrior. Always knew. Where's the Dragon Warrior?
Oh? So that is his name. Oh.
Finally, worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary.
You were not meant to be the Dragon Warrior. That was not my fault.
Not your fault. Who filled my head with dreams? Who drove me to train until my bones cracked? Who denied me my destiny?